What's good, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. As you can tell, I will be giving y'all a tutorial of how I make my thumbnails. And before we get started, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, I suggest for y'all to pick your pictures out first. I usually do 3, 2, or 1, but for this one, I do 3. So first, you should download the app Canva and get a blank page. So now I will be picking 3 of my photos that I want. You could do that by touching the camera icon and pick all the photos you want. Now that I got the pictures I want, I'm going to put them where I want them to be.
Remember that last time I made you miss your damn plane. Remember that last time I wet you down with champagne. Remember that? And I know I've been the worst, but I love you better if you let me. Let's catch a flight, change the weather, and I promise forever.
Now that I got my pictures where I want them to be, I'm not going to save, and you could do this by clicking the save button on top. So this is what it's supposed to look like compared to this. Now, where I did this font, I got this font from CapCut, so we're going to head over to CapCut. Now that I'm on CapCut, I'm going to press New Project, and now I'm just going to pick the thumbnail I just did. Now you want to press text. You can put anything you want, but I'm going to just put like the same stuff I had before. Okay, now that we have our text that we want, I'm just going to make it smaller and put them where I want it to be. Now I will be showing y'all how to make the font. So you want to press style and then press the third one. I'm going to put it how I want it to be. Just press enter and make it way more bigger. Just like that. And then I'm just going to put Summer Diaries. And make it smaller. Okay, now we're gonna pick our font. I think the font that I used for this one, I think it was Brown Sugar. Let's see. Yep. So we're just gonna color it. So what I did was go to Effects, then go to Trending, scroll down, and press this one. So now we're going to go back to Styles, and then we're going to press this pink right here, and then press the check mark. Now we're just going to lower it down and make it a little bit bigger actually, and make this touching, make it a little bit smaller. Now we're going to just make the background a little bit darker. So we're just going to go to shadow. I like it a little bit dark and a little bit blurry. Yeah. Now we're just going to add the little titles. So I'm going to just say before. And then go back to Styles, and then Shadow. And then we're just going to click this font. And just put the before here. Now we're going to add after. And since it's already set up to how I want it to be, we're just gonna put it here and make it bigger. Now we're just gonna touch things up.
You know how it feels. We both still young, so what's the rush?
And this is how I did it. Now we're just gonna press export. Then we're gonna go to the camera roll, press the video, and just take a screenshot of it. And then crop it into a square. And this is how it should look like. Okay guys, this is the end of the video. Hope you guys understand and enjoy this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe what you want me to do next. Bye!